I hope you're doing well. We're going to keep going with these design handbook documents. So today we will be working on the defining project vocabulary from the design thinking handbook. So if you open up your design thinking handbook and you scroll down to the define section, aligns with the standards, I can define users' problems or challenges with supporting evidence. I can determine the meaning of unknown words relevant to our challenge. We're especially going to focus on this one, determining the meaning of unknown words. So what you'll do is you'll open up the document. I have it open in another tab. You're going to file, make a copy, okay? Make a copy for your team, and be sure that in this new copy, when you go to your share settings, that anyone with the link is an editor instead of a viewer, so that your team can use it as well. When you paste the link for your team copy into your design handbook. Super important habit to get into. Anyways, moving on. So you have a project brief that you've been given, and in this project brief, you will find tasks and assignments and a lot of big words that are really important to understand in order to be successful. What you will be doing is annotating, which means reading through and making notes on your project brief and adding key vocabulary to the vocabulary log below. This is very similar to defining standards vocabulary, but I'm going to go ahead and model for you with a project brief. So let's say I have the KC Public Works project brief. You'll find this in Trello. On your team Trello, you also should find the copy in your design handbook at the top. All project briefs look pretty similar. So this one's with KC Public Works. You have your project design challenge, okay? And you're read through your entire project brief, okay? Well, it's usually 2 to 3 pages. So we'll start at the beginning. The Public Works Department provides optimal value in designing, building, operating, and maintaining the city's streets, bridges, sidewalks, and parking infrastructure, as well as solid waste removal. I'm going to pause. I see this word infrastructure, and I don't know what that means. Okay, so I'm going to click on the word, copy it, paste it into the column, and then I'm going to look up the definition. Definition, wow, I can't spell. Define, copy and paste, infrastructure. Take this definition. The basic physical and organizational structures and facilities needed for the operation of a society or enterprise. All right. Go back in here, paste the definition. I'm going to look up a picture, click on images, finding infrastructure. Perfect. This has roads, airports, ports, railways, energy, utilities, education, healthcare, social. That's a lot. Drag and drop it into the picture column, and I'm gonna make a connection. I drive on roads to get to work, the interstate, which is a major highway or road, has a lot of potholes. This means the infrastructure not very good. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to keep reading through my project brief. The mission of Public Works Department is to provide and maintain public infrastructure and assets by ensuring safe transportation for motorists, pedestrians, and bicyclists, and accessible municipal parking to serve the citizens of Kansas City, Missouri in the most responsible manner. For this project, you will be researching and exploring the current traffic climate and the needs of those traveling on Kansas City roads. You will then create aerial sketches and new designs for a Kansas City road or intersection. Ooh, pause on this word aerial. Okay. Ariel, like Princess Ariel? Probably not. Fine. Paste it, Ariel, meaning a type of maneuver in gymnastics? Probably not. Okay, I'll paste this in here real quick before I forget. Define aerial view. Perfect. Taking a photograph from an aircraft or other airborne platforms. Okay. So when I think of an aerial photo, let's look at images. It looks like they're all from up above, so way high up. Perfect. This is an aerial image of some tennis courts, it looks like. So paste in my picture and make a connection. When I am flying to visit my family for Christmas, I have an aerial Kansas City. Perfect. So you will continue to go through your project brief. We go through the entire thing. All of these steps, if there's any words, what is a curb line? What is a pedestrian? What is a showcase, right? All of these words I'm going to need to define in order to be successful for my assignment. There is an exemplar in the design handbook as well. Each team member needs to contribute at least 4 words, if not more. Okay? The better you understand your project brief, the more successful you'll be with your project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have fun.